Investing in gold is relatively easy, and it doesn't always require large chunks of money to do it. You don't need a boatload of cash to reap the benefits either. Here's how to start investing in gold with as little as $100 a month. Hi, I'm Peter from ouncegold.com. We provide information, tips and advice for new investors in the world of gold, silver and precious metals. If you haven't already done so, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be kept up to date whenever we upload a new video. To read the full article, be sure to click the link in the description. In this video, we'll be discussing how you, as a beginner, can start your gold portfolio today from as little as $100 a month. First of all, a few words for you if you're new to investing in gold. As a newbie investor who might not have enough money to purchase large amounts of gold, you could consider investing in small gold coin denomination or small bullion bars. Typically, small bars start from around $40 as of July 2018. However, the price of gold is expected to rise around 20% for the next 6 years. Next, how to start investing in gold. The very best way to start investing in gold is simply to start. Take action today and purchase 1 or 2 small bullion bars. That way, you'll have already committed to investing. The first step is always the hardest. Overcoming this and starting your gold portfolio will lead you on a lifelong love for investing. You can invest for retirement, trade your gold when the value goes over what it cost you, or just keep it to pass on to your kids or grandkids. You can store your gold at home, but most brokers also offer secure storage in a number of vaults worldwide. Just remember the age-old saying, however, if you don't hold it, you don't own it. Which is why we suggest new investors purchase small quantities regularly and store them in your home safe. For our top picks on home safes, click on the link in the description. Some of these are affiliate links, which gives ouncegold.com a small percentage of money. Next, common ways of investing in gold. There are many ways of profiting from precious metals. You have to pick the one that's best suited to your needs. If you're not sure about the particular one to use, here are a number of our favourites. First, gold stocks, exchange traded funds, or ETF. An ounce that could have been worth $500 in the morning could suddenly change to $510 by nightfall. With ETF, you purchase a security on your investment which helps you profit from the market fluctuations. When others buy the precious metal, you gain from them because you now own the value of the net change. You control the flow. Initially, it might seem overwhelming, mainly if you haven't invested in anything before, but with time, you get the hang of the process. This method serves as a safeguard if your investment relies heavily on currencies such as the dollar, pound sterling or euro, because the value of gold rises whenever one or all of them fall. And next, mutual funds. This category is best suited for individuals that are not entirely comfortable with investing in physical gold, but still want to be part of the industry. The mutual funds hold portfolios of gold stock that's owned by reputable mining companies. All new investors need to do is target large and well-capitalized companies that have great profitable track records. Most of them usually have their mines where they produce a required amount of gold every year. And next, gold futures. This plan works just like buying and selling stocks. Let's say you get the information that the price of gold would skyrocket in a few days' time, and you decide to purchase a gold futures asset at the current price, which is still relatively cheap. You'll make a ton of money. Subsequently, when you also get wind that the value would plummet, selling it before this happens would leave you with a sizable amount. You profit from the difference in the value change rather than exchanging the gold itself. The only way for you to thrive in this category is if you carry out an in-depth analysis of the industry, calculating when the rise and falls would occur. The flexibility of gold futures is one of the upsides when dealing with the market. And next, buying gold bullion. Just like the government do, you can purchase gold in its bar form, which is known as owning a bullion. They can be bought at a per ounce value of the gold's concentration. Gold bullion has been described as the ultimate expression of pure value because it remains the only real money whose worth cannot be controlled by government fiat or even changed. The fluctuation gold experiences are as a result of the increase or decrease in demand. Owning physical gold is our preferred method for beginner investors. Physical gold can easily be traded anywhere in the world as its value is internationally recognized. You can go into gold brokers in any city in the world and exchange your gold for money. Similarly, you can easily purchase and sell your gold online at a number of brokers. Now, next, let's take a look at gold accounts. A gold account stores the value of your investment at a bank in several different ways. An assigned account buys the gold and keeps it in a secure location. While you own the gold, the bank acts as a provider. In contrast, an unallocated one doesn't store your gold but uses it for the bank's investment purposes. Once you're ready to sell, they give you the value of your investment. The difference between both accounts is that while the allocated one is secure, the rewards are lower, but with the latter, the risks and the profits are higher. And next, gold numismatic coins. These kind of precious metals are entirely different from the bullion coins because not only do they have net value, they also have a history or are rare. Numismatic coins' worth is based on factors like special marks, important date or limited amounts. Investing in this particular brand helps you diversify your portfolio into a class that you can pass down to several generations. This form of investment provides the highest level of wealth that is attainable in the United States. But before you start buying your numismatic coins today, make sure that you certify their legitimacy and authenticity from a credible gold dealer. The significance of gold in a modern economy. The history of this precious metal began in 3000 BC in ancient Egypt. They used it to form jewellery, but it wasn't until 560 BC that gold was used as a form of currency, and since then its value has grown further. The intrinsic worldwide value of gold makes it an ideal vehicle for the beginner investor. Gold is easily tradable in most countries and can be bought and sold online without any technical skill and with only a little knowledge. It makes an ideal investment for retirement to be traded on the global market and is a pleasure to own. Well, I hope you found that this has encouraged you to start investing in gold. Apart from being a great way to store your wealth, owning gold is also a great hobby which you can get involved in from very little monthly investment. Remember to click the link in the description to read the full article. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you have bought gold recently, let us know in the comments and tell us about your experiences. My name's Peter from ouncegold.com, and I'll see you next time.